everyone, my name is Mahati. I am from grade 4. Today I am presenting a topic on 5 digits addition. Addition is the process of adding two numbers or more numbers. Is called addition. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 2 carry, 3 here. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9. Add 2, 11. 1 carry, 1 here. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12. Carry, add 1. Carry 3, 13. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 10. Add 1. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Add 1, 20. That adding all numbers, the sum is 2,02,330. Thank you.